Hello, hello.
Hello, I
Hi
can hear
there.
you.
You can hear me. That's what we
Yes.
want.
Okay.
Vega is sitting here. Holmes will be down any moment now. So my list is still accurate so far.
Okay.
And he needs an interpreter. So we're good with that.
Yes.
Okay. You and I are on top of it. So I'll be back when everybody shows up.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. You bet.
Good afternoon.
Hi, Judge. Hi, all. I have our Spanish speaker here first. I don't see our interpreter quite yet.
I don't see the interpreter yet.
Our number two guy is still up in his cell. I'll
Yeah,
ask the deputy go ahead and send him our way just in case that might be in our favor.
right. Yeah, sounds
All
good.
right, stand by.
Miss Hutton, you got my couple extras that I added.
Yes, ma'am. There's six total now, or, yes, I think.
Yeah, 6. Mhm.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. He's making gestures, but he's not talk. Okay, never mind.
I think we're trying to wait for that Spanish interpreter.
Sure. I can never quite tell if he's trying to get something attention or if he's talking to somebody else.
Did he work at the DA's office when you were there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Boy, howdy, do I wish we had an evidence person in the muni court.
Yeah.
That would be so helpful.
All right. Vega's heading back. We're on a two-man, one person at a time.
Gotcha.
Holmes will be here in just a second.
All right. Sounds good.
Thank you. Okay, all Mr. Holmes is here.
All right. Thank you. Hello, Mr. Holmes. I'm Judge Whitman with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. You have some unresolved matters here. You have some traffic matters. It looks like you received some tickets October 13th of 2024. They are for no registration, no insurance, and no driver's license. I want you to understand that you have an absolute right to a trial in these matters, and I can set it for trial if that's how you wish to proceed. But I do have the prosecutor here that I'd like you to visit with to see what her offer is. If you don't like what she's offering as a plea offer, we can still set it for trial. So if you would ask the gentleman that gave you those headphones to put you in a breakout room, you'll be able to talk to the prosecutor, Ms. Hutton, in private.
Leave those on. So, waiting on an invitation, but you're going to talk to the prosecutor.
Need to get a,
You can talk to her. There's no limit. But
I just don't see the button, ma'am.
yeah,
I'm sure
Miss
it's coming.
Lorraine.
I'm working on it, sorry.
Oh, yeah, she's got it. There you go.
Uh, I didn't see. Wait. I think Miss Lorena accidentally sent herself to the room
That might be possible. Uh,
because I never got a button. Sorry.
uh,
I hope she comes back.
she might have knocked herself out.
Oh, also true.
Total, yeah.
Oh, there it is.
There you go.
I think Miss Lorena might be stuck in the breakout room, but that's okay.
Okay,
I just
well,
talked.
the jail, let's wait for the jail to come back here.
Well, if Miss Lorena can't get out of the breakout room, we're gonna have a different problem.
Yes, Miss Hutton, yeah,
Your Honor, I was just going to request, Mr. Holmes, believes, so he was driving his stepmother's car on the 13th day of October 2024. He believes he might be able to provide me with verification of insurance from that day. He does not have a driver's license currently. However, he would like to work towards getting that. So
Right.
this would like to set this out, in order for him to, be able to accomplish maybe those two things, ma'am. And I would request not as much time. These are older cases, ma'am, so obviously we would like to resolve them quickly.
right. I'm just looking at, I don't have a problem with getting continuance. I'm just looking at you have that other matter in district court. I don't want to discuss the other matter.
Yeah.
I just wanted to see where you're at. It looks like you have a docket for next Tuesday. So what I'll do is I will set this, do you have contact with your mom that maybe she could get the information to the prosecutor?
My mother-in-law probably. My
Oh,
mother,
mother-in-law, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Say it again, I'm sorry.
my mother-in-law probably got the information because that's what's her car.
I got you. Is there any way that you could contact her maybe to get that information to the prosecutor and that might expedite some things?
Yeah.
Okay. What I'll do is I'll go to January 27th. If you are not in custody, you'll have to be in court January 27th at 1 o'clock.
Okay.
If you are still in, then we'll know and we can bring you back to see what's going on. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. We will send paperwork over to the jail for that January 27th date in case you get out so that you'll know.
Okay.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. All right. That'll be the end of the hearing. You can give your headphones back to the jailer.
Do we have a word on the interpreter?
Yes,
I don't
but
see one.
hold on, hold on.
Okay,
Okay.
hang on.
Cool.
I think she's gonna. Sorry, I was having issues. She's trying to get in, but in a minute, I think.
Okay. We can go to the next one, then maybe we can bring back the,
Okay, understood. I will go to the next pod. I'll be back.
okay, sounds good.
Okay, Judge,
Yes.
I was out of the room.
Yeah, January, we're gonna just continue it to January 27th at 1 o'clock.
January 27 at 1 o'clock. And what's the name?
That was Holmes, Antonio
Okay.
Holmes.
Thank you. Is she giving me?
Interpreter's
logging
off, so.
Oh, okay.
Also, ma'am, I'm the only one in the office this afternoon, so if someone angrily rings my bell, I might have to excuse myself for a moment and then I will come back.
Yes, that's fine.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So we're okay for now.
Okay.
Thank you. Did he accept the attorney rec? Yes.
No,
No,
Holmes Antonio.
no,
no,
we just
not
continued
accept
it.
it.
Okay.
Just continued it.
We have the translator coming
Oh,
up.
perfect. Okay, good.
Her name is Perla.
Okay, great.
Pardon me, Judge. Mr. Koch is here.
Much okay, thank you. Hello, Mr. Koch. I'm Judge Whitman with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. You have an unresolved matter here. It's possession of drugs. October 20th, it looks like you received the tickets. You have an absolute right to have a trial in this matter. What I've done, though, is I have Miss Hutton here. She's the prosecutor who I'm assuming will give you some kind of plea offer. If you want the plea, great. If you don't, we can always set it for trial, but I'd like for you to visit with her so you can know your options. So if you'd ask the gentleman that gave you those headphones to put you in a breakout room, you'll be able to speak to Miss Hutton in private.
Can you put me in a breakout room?
Can. Judge probably told you you're going to talk to the prosecutor.
Sutton?
Yes, Your Honor. So when I spoke with Mr. Koch, I explained the situation to him. He believes that he would be fine to plead guilty and pay the $100 fine. However, Mr. Koch does have a sentencing across the street on December 5th, ma'am. And so obviously he is concerned that if he goes to prison, he will not be able to pay this fine. If he does not, if he's given probation and he's released on the 5th, he would like to set it out till January or February. I also told him that we could potentially, that the judge might potentially set this over until next Tuesday. So that way, if he is sentenced and he's still in jail on Tuesday, we could just see him next Tuesday, but that's.
Yeah, yeah, and let's just do that. We'll set it for next Tuesday. If you get sentenced and you're out, you got to be in court.
Or come to the court date,
Right,
basically.
because if you're out and you don't come, then a warrant's going to be issued for your arrest.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, and I doubt you want to still be back in there in that lovely orange jumpsuit you're wearing.
No, I don't.
No, okay. All right, so if you are still in, we'll visit this way. If you are out, you'll be in court. It's at the city hall on the second floor.
Okay.
And we'll send over paperwork. So that date is, oh, hold on. There's no video jail on December 9th. Yeah,
I did not know that, ma'am. I'm sorry.
yeah, I show no video jail. So
The 16th?
no video jail then either.
Whoa,
Yeah.
sorry.
Um,
The 12th, could we see him on a Friday?
yeah, let's do it on the 12th.
Okay,
Because if you're out, you'll be out and you can come visit. If you're still there because of the sentencing, we'll know we can put you on this docket.
What time?
All right. That is 1 o'clock. Okay.
Okay.
So we'll just continue this matter to December 12th at 1 p.m. All right.
Sounds good.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. And we will send paperwork over. So if you are leaving jail, you'll have that with you.
Thank you.
That'll say the date. All right. You have a good rest of your week. I hope things go as you planned, and we'll see you December 12th, one way or the other.
Thank you.
All right. You can give your headphones back.
Do we have our interpreter, I think?
yes, sir.
Yes, we
Okay.
do.
All right. Yep, I'll head back over and grab Vega. Back soon.
Okay, great.
And it's December 19th, that's bids day, and that's why we don't have trials that day, right?
Bids day is the 12th.
Darn it. Okay. No, okay, it's January 19th, that's Martin Luther King Day. Okay.
Yes. All right.
Ah, word.
we're back. Mr. Vega's here.
All right.
Hello?
Hello, Mr. Vega. I am Judge Whitman with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court.
Okay.
Señor Vega, yo soy la jueza Whitman y soy jueza por parte del Tribunal de Kansas City, Kansas.
Okay.
You have some unresolved traffic matters here that stem from tickets given March 12th of 2024.
Usted tiene un par de asuntos en cuanto a tickets de tránsitos que le dieron el 12 de marzo del 2024.
Those
Sí.
tickets include a speeding ticket, 50 and a 30,
Esos tickets incluyen, disculpe, esos tickets incluyen uno de alta velocidad yendo 50 en un 30,
a no seat belt ticket,
un ticket de conducir sin el cinturón de seguridad,
no driver's license, and no registration for the vehicle.
conducir sin licencia de conducir y no traer la registración del vehículo.
You have a right to a trial in these matters.
Usted tiene el derecho a un juicio en este asunto.
However, I would like you to speak with the prosecutor concerning your other option of a plea.
Pero yo quiero que usted hable con la fiscal para ver en cuanto a una declaración de culpabilidad.
If after speaking with the prosecutor, you still wish to have a trial, we will schedule that trial.
Si aún después de haber hablado con la fiscal, usted quiere irse a juicio, entonces nosotros podemos agendarlo para un juicio.
Could you please ask the gentleman that gave you those headphones to put you in a breakout room so you can speak with the prosecutor in private?
Por favor, le puede decir al señor que está al lado de usted que lo meta a la otra sala para que pueda hablar con la fiscal en privado.
Okay. Are you? Yes, that's okay.
I got it.
And interpret if you would go in the room also.
Okay.
You should get a invite.
Okay. Still haven't got it.
I'm working on it.
Oh, you're okay.
Having issues with this application now.
Okay, I think I found it.
All right, great.
Just waiting for my interpreter, ma'am.
Yeah, I understand. Do you know to come back?
I'm gonna go. Talk.
All right, see if you can bring her back.
She wasn't in that breakout room.
Okay, let me see if I can bring her back.
I'm gonna interpret it. Oh, okay, okay.
Oh,
There
there
she is. There she
Yeah,
is.
got it.
All
Sorry
right,
about that.
Miss Hutton.
Your Honor, I spoke with Mr.
Oh,
Vega Ayala.
okay.
Bueno, señora Hutter, sí, yo hablé con el señor Vega Ayala.
He believed that he had retained an attorney and paid these previously.
Él cree que él le pagó un abogado para que le pagara eso previamente.
I explained to him that there does not appear to be a defense attorney of record on any of these cases, nor do we have any documentation of payment made.
Y yo ya le expliqué a él que no tenemos por parte del expediente ni en el registro algún abogado, y que tampoco tenemos ningún tipo de documento diciendo que él pagó.
However, he has agreed to plead guilty to exceeding the speed limit,
Pero él está de acuerdo en declararse culpable a ir a alta velocidad.
failure to wear a seatbelt, and failure to display driver's license.
Y por no mantener el cinturón de seguridad y tampoco traer la licencia de conducir,
For a total of $333.50, ma'am.
por un total de $333.50, señora.
Mr. Vega, is that your understanding of the plea?
Señor Vega, ¿eso es lo que usted entendió en cuanto a la declaración de culpabilidad?
Sí,
Yes.
In looking at this, the only activity I see on this case was a warrant issued back in July of 2024. So there's been no attorney or no resolution.
Y solamente viéndolo aquí, la única actividad que yo veo en este caso sería una orden de arresto que se le puso, en julio del 2024. No veo que ningún abogado esté, dentro del registro ni que hayan sido solucionados.
eh,
Do you understand by entering the pleas to these charges, you are giving up your right to have a trial?
Y usted entiende que al entregar esta declaración de culpabilidad, usted se está quitando el derecho de tener un juicio.
sí,
And is that
Yes.
how you want to proceed by entering these pleas?
Y así es como usted quiere proceder al entrar esta declaración de culpabilidad.
sí,
Yes.
So to the charges of speeding, failure to wear a seatbelt, and no driver's license, how do you plead, guilty or not guilty?
Entonces, a los cargos de conducir a alta velocidad, sin cinturón de seguridad y a conducir sin licencia de conducir, ¿usted se declararía culpable o no culpable?
culpable.
Guilty.
All right, I'll accept your plea. The other charge will be dismissed. You have a hold on you right now, an ICE hold.
Bien, entonces el otro ticket va a ser desestimado y usted ahorita tiene una retención de inmigración.
How will you be able to pay this fine?
¿Cómo va a poder pagar esta multa?
Eh, yo tengo acceso a mi cuenta para poder pagarlo con mi tarjeta.
I have access to my bank account to be able to pay it with a card.
All right. What I'll do is I'll give you two weeks to pay it. That'll go to December 19th at 1 o'clock. If you could just have it paid by that date, then you won't have to worry about it.
Bueno, entonces le voy a dar 2 semanas para pagarlo. Eso sería para el 19 de diciembre a la 1 de la tarde. Si usted puede pagarlo antes de entonces, no se tendría que preocupar por ello.
¿Puedo hacer pregunta?
Can I ask a question?
Sure.
Sí.
Eh, para yo ir con la migración, ¿tengo que pagar antes o cómo sería?
For me to be able to go with immigration, would I have to pay it before or how would I do that?
Immigration will do what they do. I don't have any say over them.
Inmigración va a hacer lo que ellos tienen que hacer. Yo no tengo ninguna
Ok,
palabra en cuanto a lo que vayan a hacer ellos.
ok. Entonces, ¿puedo decir a una familiar que lo vayan a pagar hoy?
Okay, so can I ask a family member to go in and pay it today?
Yes, that would work. Yes.
Sí, eso funcionaría, sí.
Ok, ¿puedo tener alguna dirección o cómo
Okay,
pueden contactar para poder pagarlo?
okay, can I get an address to where they can go to, or
It,
how can I contact someone about that?
right. It is in City Hall, just across the street from where he is.
Sí, se llama City Hall y estaría enfrente de donde está usted,
It's on the
Ok,
second floor.
en el segundo piso.
ok.
So if they come to City Hall, go to the second floor here in Kansas City, Kansas, they'll be able to pay the cashier the money.
Bueno, entonces dígale que vaya a City Hall y estaría en Kansas City, Kansas, sería en el segundo piso y solamente díganles que vaya con la cajera y debería de tomar su dinero.
¿Es un cash o tiene que ser
It
money
is,
order?
it is cash.
Efectivo.
Ok.
All right. Did you have any other questions?
¿Tiene alguna otra pregunta?
No, es todo.
No, that would be it.
All right. That'll conclude the hearing. You can give your headphones back to the jailer.
Esto concluye la audiencia. Le puede regresar los audífonos a la otra persona.
Ok, gracias.
Ok, gracias.
Just checking we're done there, Judge.
Yes,
And that is our only Spanish speaker.
correct. Yes, thank you so much. We
Okay,
appreciate you.
thank you, Judge.
I'm skipping over Hammonds. He's a worker. He's already down at his spot. We'll grab him last. So I'm
All
heading
right.
toward Dwayne Smith. I'll be back.
And Lorena, I think Mr. Vega had a $300 bond, make it an OR bond.
Okay. Got it.
And ma'am, on Mr. Smith, we have some cases. Are we wanting to do the 12-15 cases as well, or just the 12-2 cases?
We are just doing the 12-2 cases
Okay.
because
and
they're
may-
just traffic. And then I'm going to set the other
Okay,
for a different day.
we might need an MTA on that one, ma'am. It looks like maybe we've got a birth date. And that's why they're not.
Oh, yeah, that one. Yes. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then also there's a random parking.
Yeah, you can, whatever you want to do.
Okay, yes, ma'am. Okay, yeah. I got this.
His date of birth in the jail system is July 2nd.
Okay, yep. I'm gonna fix that. I'm gonna fix that right now. Angry dinging. I'll be back.
Pardon me, Judge.
Yes.
We are, yep, we are ready to go. Mr. Smith's here.
All right, thank you. Hello, Mr. Smith. I just,
Good morning.
yeah.
Good afternoon.
I'm Judge Whitman with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. You've got some unresolved traffic matters here that I'm hoping we can figure out how we're going to proceed. The charges stem from, it looks like, two different, let's see, three different car stops. The first one, it looks like, was July 15th. Oh, that's a parking ticket, excuse me. Then we have a September 22nd, a 2025 possession of drug paraphernalia. And then we have a November 4th, 2025 of possession of drug paraphernalia and no registration. So those charges do not require jail time. So that therefore, I have the prosecutor here that may be able to offer you a plea offer. If you wish to take the offer, great. If you don't, we can always set it for trial. I also want you to understand you do have some other charges that we are not discussing today, which is possession of drug paraphernalia and interference with a law enforcement officer and no registration. That there was a traffic stop November 11th of 2025. Those cases I'm appointing counsel for you, and we'll visit when you have counsel present, all right? Does that make sense?
Okay.
So
Yeah.
you've got some traffic matters that we'll discuss today, and those other criminal matters that we'll discuss at another time. So what I'd like for you to do is talk to the prosecutor about the traffic. If you wish to take the offer she's giving you, great. If you don't wish to accept it, then we will set it for trial. I will let you speak to Ms. Hutton in private. So if you would ask the gentleman that gave you those headphones to put you in a breakout room, you'll be able to talk to Ms. Hutton in private.
Said let me talk to Miss Hutton in private.
Understand. So put you over privately with the prosecutor, as the judge said.
Mhm.
There's no time limit on talk.
Your Honor.
Yes, ready.
Okay, yes, ma'am. And I have 6 cases, notwithstanding the 2 that you said that you were gonna move. Is that correct? Is that the same?
Well, I will tell you that one that happened November 11th, the registration is part of the criminal charges. So that could not be,
Okay, I'll take that one out.
yes,
Yes, ma'am. Well, because I've got two of them, right? All right.
yes.
Okay. 6529, 65291. Okay, okay, okay. So now I have 5 cases.
Correct.
Okay. I've spoken with Mr. Smith. Mr. Smith has agreed to plead guilty to 1 count of operating without a proper vehicle license for $100, driving left of center for $80, and the possession use of drug paraphernalia for $100, totaling altogether $303.50 when I include court costs.
Mr. Smith, is that your understanding of the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
And by entering the plea, you're giving up your right to a trial. Do you understand that?
Yes.
All right. And this is how you want to proceed.
Yes.
All right. All right. It was driving left of center, no registration, and
Possession, ma'am.
possession of the paraphernalia.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. For those 3 charges, driving left of center, no registration, and possession of drug paraphernalia, how do you plead, guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
All right, I'll accept your plea. The other charges will be dismissed. I will assess the fines and costs as she noted. Do you know, because I'm looking at your charges, I know you have some district court matters. It looks like you just have a docket that was today. So what I'll do is I'll continue for payment to January 30th at 1 o'clock. If you are still in custody, we'll know and we'll move that date. If you can have somebody pay it, that's great also, and get it taken care of so you can focus on other matters. All right. Did you have any questions?
You said January 30th at 1 o'clock.
30th, yes, at 1. Yes.
Okay.
All right. Now, for the other charges, the no registration, possession of drug and interference with a law enforcement officer, I am going to appoint counsel for you. And I'm going to continue that matter to January 9th at 1 o'clock. That's on a jail docket like this. But you'll have counsel, and then you can speak to your counsel about that at that time. All right?
Okay. What if
All right.
I'm not here?
If you're not here, then you need to be in court in City Hall on the 2nd floor on that January 9th date,
At what time?
1 o'clock.
Okay.
And we'll send paperwork over to the jail, so that'll be there for you.
Okay.
All right. Okay. Did you have any questions?
No.
All right. Then that'll conclude the hearing. You can give your headphones back to the jailer.
Just checking we're all done, Judge.
Yes.
All right. We're going to go to Ms. Guston. The signal is weak. I've made some arrangements to get a couple of people to help out, so we'll
Okay.
might be a little delayed.
All right. Sounds good.
You bet.
Okay, Josh, let me understand. The payments are for 2 cases for January the 9th too?
No, they're for January 30th at 1 for payment.
January 30th, okay.
And then the 3 charges, those 3 bottom charges, ADC is appointed, and we're setting those for, excuse me, January 9th
9.
at 1 o'clock.
Ma'am, I'm gonna take a quick break, but then I'll come right back.
Sure.
Judge, I only see one set for, I mean, two cases set for,
There
for
should be
the-
3 cases
there
that
should be
happened on
three,
that
and I
11.
cannot find the third one.
She might have included in the plea and that can't happen.
Probably. I think she did. Did she? And she left one open for expired tag.
Well,
I
no,
think.
I still see,
3?
look at the violation date.
Okay, yeah, you're right.
November 11th, all 3 of those should be in Q status,
Okay, yeah, I see that.
okay?
Uh-huh. Okay.
Oh, she had it right. And Miss Hutton, I noted the notes on Miss Guston. It shows that you didn't mark it for jail time.
The interference.
Yeah, so
The case remark, it said specifically that we did not wish to, or no,
Okay,
wait,
sure.
it says city not seeking jail time.
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah.
Weird. I haven't seen that note before. I apologize.
Yeah, there you go.
It's from 2022, ma'am. So
Well,
yeah,
yeah.
I'm lost in the sauce. Pardon me. And I got somebody in my waiting room and I'm the only one up here and it's
Yeah, I got you.
gonna be okay. It's all okay.
Did you need to deal with the person in your waiting room? Because he's got to go and find some other people and.
It's Mr. Murray, Mr. Levert Murray. He
Oh.
wanted to speak, so he's just
I
gonna
got you.
wait.
Gotcha.
Yeah, and I told him I wasn't sure how long it would be, but
Yeah, because he's got to go find her. So and
right. I mean, I could try. Yeah, I don't want to risk it because
yeah,
inevitably by the time I get going, he'll come back.
yes, I got you.
Josh, I'm assuming you gave him an R bond on Dwayne Smith.
On the yeah, on everything.
On
Because
everything, okay.
yeah, from my understanding, he's just in there unless they're gonna.
Okay. Can you add comments as
Oh yeah, I'll do
or
that.
bond,
Yeah.
please?
Pardon me, Judge, Ms. Guston is here.
All right, sounds great. Thank you. Miss
Good
Guston,
afternoon.
I'm Judge Whitman with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. You have two unresolved matters here. The charge is trespassing. It looks like you received the ticket back November 3rd of 2022, and interference with a law enforcement officer. That ticket was given September 2nd of 2022. I have the prosecutor here that is probably going to give you a plea offer, but I want you to understand that you have an absolute right to a trial in this matter, but I would like you to at least explore all your options. So if you would ask the gentleman that gave you those headphones to put you in a breakout room, you'll be able to speak with Miss Hutton in private about these matters.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
We do this all the time. So you'll talk with the prosecutor. There's no time limit on this.
Your Honor,
Yes.
I was able to speak with Miss Gustin. She agreed to pay the $150 fine to plead guilty for the trespassing. The city would drop the interference with an officer charge. I do want to note for the record that I am not requesting that typically with a trespassing charge, we require that they not return to that location. However, this particular location is where she has been residing. So the trespassing charge was from back in 2022. I just wanted the court to be aware of that is the particular reason why I am not requesting that she not return to that location, because that would be very difficult.
For her. Yes,
Yes.
I get it. All right. Ms. Gustin, did you understand what Ms. Hutton just said?
Yes, I understand.
Do you understand that by entering this plea, you're giving up your right to a trial?
Yes,
All right. And you still want to go ahead with the plea?
yes.
All right. So to the charge of trespass, how do you plead, guilty or not guilty?
I plead that I'll pay the $100.50 fine. I'm sorry if I could remember exactly why it was trespassing the charge. I would say guilty or not guilty, but the thing is, like, I live there and there was a whole big misunderstanding, and now I remember. And my grandma, who I live with, she was in California and she wasn't there at the time, and the person that watches the dog called the cops and thought I was a trespasser when I was trying to explain I live there, but
Well, what we can do is you can plead what's called no contest, meaning you're not saying you did it, but you're saying the city could prove you did it.
yeah.
Would that be better for you?
Yeah, like I don't mind paying the $150 fine just to resolve all issues.
Get it
I
done? Yeah.
Yeah, I don't
All right.
mind.
Okay. So I will write in a no contest plea for you. I will assess the $150 fine. The other charge will be dismissed. Do you need some time to pay the $150?
Yes, right now I have an OR bond that I can take, and I'm waiting on to take that, and once I get out of here,
Right.
I'm I have plans on returning back to work and setting up a lot of payment plans, and I'm not sure what the recommendations are when I leave. I don't know if I'll be put on probation, but I do plan on making all my court dates on time and doing everything they ask, and I will get that 150 to you probably when I get my maternity leave pay. I'm working on getting that finalized, which I think I have to return back to work to get it. So
Gotcha. Well,
I'm
this is what I'll do. I know you have some criminal charges over in district court, and that preliminary hearing's set for December 18th.
Yeah.
What I'll do is I'll continue this for payment to January 30th at 1. And if you are still in custody, then we'll know and we can figure that out. If you are out of custody, you'll need to be in court or at least make a payment of $20 or $50 to move the date.
Okay.
All
Yeah,
right,
I
does
can
that
do
make
that.
sense?
Yes.
Okay. All right, did you have any other questions?
No. I think that was all of my questions. I'm
Okay.
just kind of waiting to get out on OR bond
All
and
right.
just get things moving for me.
Well, I will tell you this, that the city court, you have no charges, nothing further other than this payment.
Okay.
All right?
Thank you so much,
All
Judge.
right. I wish you good luck in your other matters, and that'll conclude the hearing.
Okay. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Okay.
Double checking, we're good there, Judge.
We're good.
All right, next up will be Hammond's, last in the list. I'll be back.
All right, sounds good.
Are
Yes.
you with? Yep, our signal's a little weak here, but I'm going to
Okay.
hand you off to Hammonds.
All right, thank you. Hello, Mr. Hammonds. I
Hello.
am Judge Whitman with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. You have a case that's unresolved here. It is possession of drug paraphernalia. It looks like you received the ticket May 27th of this year. I want you to understand they have an absolute right to a trial in this matter, but I also would like you to visit with Ms. Hutton, the prosecutor in this case, for her to give you an offer of a plea so that you know what your options are. So
Okay.
if you would ask the gentleman that gave you those headphones to put you in a breakout, you'll be able to speak with Ms. Hutton in private about her offer.
Okay. She said put us in a breakout with secretary.
Going to talk to the prosecutor. When you guys are done talking,
Your Honor,
Yes.
I was able to speak with Mr. Hammonds. He agrees to plead guilty to possession of drug paraphernalia for $123.50, or just $100, ma'am. I'm deleting the court costs.
Yeah.
Yep, it's just $100 fine, ma'am.
All right. Mr. Hammonds, did you understand what the prosecutor said?
Yes, ma'am.
By entering this plea, though, you're giving up your right to a trial,
Yes, ma'am.
and that's still how you wish to proceed.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. To the charge of possession of drug paraphernalia, how do you plead guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
All right. I will accept your plea. I will assess that $100 fine. I do note you're in custody on some other matters. So
Mhm.
even though you've resolved this today and we're just going to set it for a payment, you're not going to get out of jail. I don't
Right.
have any way to get you out on those other charges. All
Yeah.
right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how long do you think it'll take you to pay that $100?
Probably within a week after I get out.
All right. What I'll do is, because we got the holidays and everything, I'll go to January 9th
Okay.
at 1 o'clock for payment.
Okay.
You can pay at City Hall on the second floor at the cashier window, or you can pay online. If you
Okay.
pay a $20 or a $50 payment, they'll move the court date. If you've paid absolutely nothing and you are out of custody, you must be in court on January 9th.
Okay.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
All right. Well, that will conclude the hearing. I wish you good luck in your other matters.
All right. Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
okay, sorry for a little bit of a delay, but we made it.
No worries. All right. Sounds good. Have a
Good
good
day,
day.
everybody.